Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the highest paying Amazon affiliate niches. Okay, I'm going to be going over the commission structure for each product category in Amazon. That way you can figure out which products you should be promoting the most so you can get a higher commission. Okay, now I talk a lot about Amazon affiliate marketing on my channel. I have a few videos that you can go ahead and watch, and I love promoting products on Amazon because it is the #1 affiliate platform that I use. Okay, there's a lot of products, hundreds and thousands that I can promote, and it's Amazon. The people like to buy on Amazon, so my conversion rate is very high, and that is why I choose to promote on Amazon. Okay, so let me go over the top products here. Let's just put this link, and I'm gonna leave this link in the description. That way you guys can also follow along with me in this video. Okay, so let's just load up this page here. Okay, and so here we are. This is the Amazon Associates fee schedule. Okay, so the highest paying Amazon categories is women's fashion. Okay, so women's fashion, private label products, luxury beauty, Amazon coins. That's going to pay out 10%. And I normally see that people say your commission structure goes from 4 to 10%. That is not the case anymore. Okay, it is pretty much a flat fixed rate in which you are going to get paid. Okay, so that has changed, and so now you're pretty much a fixed rate, right? So coming in at 8% is furniture, home improvement, lawn and garden. So this could be a very lucrative niche. Okay, it could be the furniture, promoting bed frames, couches, sofas, stuff like that. It's gonna pay out 8%. And so if you have a sofa or some furniture that's like $500 up to $1,000, you're gonna get 8% of that, and that is a large affiliate commission. Okay, also lawn and garden, maybe lawn mowers, outdoor equipment like that converts very well on Amazon. Okay, people are now going to Amazon instead of going to Home Depot for them to get their lawn equipment products. Okay, coming in at 7% is Amazon's products. So it is the Fire TV, the Dot, the Echo. All those products are going to pay out 7%, which is very good. So pretty much any product from Amazon itself, that is actually very good. You can create a niche site around the Amazon Fire Stick or around the Echo, and those are very high selling products because it's something that a lot of people are going to use now in their everyday life. Okay, so when they wake up, they talk to the Echo. You can pretty much order groceries through your Amazon Echo and your other devices like that. Okay, so that is another good niche to go into. It's going to pay out pretty well. Some of these products are not cheap, so you can get a good commission from that. Alright, so here we have headphones, beauty, musical instruments. Okay, this is a 6%. This is actually pretty good if you're promoting like $300, $400, $500 headphones or music equipment. So if you can create a site around DJing or audio production, there's actually a YouTube channel that I follow, and he pretty much started a website around musical instruments, audio equipment, and he makes like $20K a month just from his site alone, guys. And that is most of his commissions are coming from Amazon. Okay, so this is another area that you can promote. So pretty much headphones like Beats, Bose, those are very expensive, and you're going to get 6% if you sell one of those products. Next we have outdoor tools. You know, this is another good niche. Okay, outdoors, it could be camping, hiking, equipment like that. So you can create a niche site around that, or have a YouTube channel. This is another way you can do Amazon affiliate marketing, is creating a YouTube channel and reviewing these products. You don't even have to own them. You can pretty much do a slideshow video and just talk about the pros and cons of these products, and leave your links in the description. Okay, so next we have digital music, groceries. Okay, this is going to pay out 5%. That's still pretty good, but you have to sell a lot of items and not cheap items if you're going to promote these products. From 5% all the way down to 0%, you know, like gift cards. You know, I wouldn't pretty much promote these products unless you're gonna sell a lot of these products. Okay. You know, like books. I see a lot of people promoting books. You're only gonna get like 50 cents if you promote a book. And I would probably stick away from these items because you're gonna have to sell a lot. But hey, if you can create a niche site that's getting a lot of traffic, you can still come out profitable promoting these products. Okay, guys, so this is bounties. Bounties are pretty much like CPA almost, or, well, it's not CPA, but if you purchase these products, you're gonna get a straight cut. Okay, so if you promote Prime Videos, if you get someone to sign up for a trial, you're gonna get $3. Okay, if you get someone on Amazon Music, you're gonna get $3. Okay, so you can also play around with this. I personally have not promoted any bounties. I mostly focus on products. Okay, building Amazon affiliate niche sites. Okay, so hopefully you got a good picture here of which categories are the best to promote. That way you can start your YouTube channel, you can start your own website promoting these products. Again, I'm going to leave the link to this resource here in the description. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe to my channel for future affiliate marketing related videos. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.